good, YouTube? I am Reap, and this is another video. Today we have a special unboxing. To me, it's one of the most anticipated Jordan releases of the year. Some people have been saying it's the #1 Jordan of the year or the #1 Jordan release of the year. But I'll just say it's one of the top Jordan releases for me personally. I know a lot of people saying they're the poor man's Travis Scott, but to me, it's not the same color blocking. Now, the initial mock-ups, then yeah, 100% poor man's Travis Scott because it was exact same color blocking. The only difference was the swoosh. But this particular pair has the black toe color blocking. So that's like saying the Chicago's, or the black toe ones are the poor man's Chicago one. Like, but I mean, that's just me, whatever. So go ahead, get into it. So I was lucky to hit on the Sneakers app. So as you can see, you know, the Just Do It tape. But I heard a lot of places didn't get their full shipment yet. So if you want these, just wait it out. I know there are going to be some restocks. And then the European release is the 20th of this month. So if you really want them and you want to get them for retail, just wait. And if you're going to pay the tax anyway, you can still wait it out to see what happens. I don't think the price is going to change but so much. I think they're sitting around like $350 or $360 right now. So crazy. Let's go ahead. Oh. There we go, the Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Black. I think it says Mocha. Oh, sail, black, dark mocha, and black. Let's go ahead and look at these together. Alright. Whew. Yeah, these are clean. Gotta get y'all that close up real quick, man. Get your screenshots off. The dark mocha ones. First impressions. This leather. I don't know if it's, you know, it's quality control issues with Nike, but a lot of people saying that their shoes are stiff. Let me show you. Get a close up. Right, you see that tumble leather on the toe? Look at that. Yeah. Maybe I just got lucky and got a better quality pair, which I'm not mad at all. The suede, I mean, it's decent. It's nothing crazy. I'll see a few, I guess you could say quality issues or defects, but nothing too wild. It's not like I'm going to return them or anything. Well, I got a lot of tumbled leather on this pair. All right, so let me go ahead and switch the camera angle so you can get that full detailed look. Okay, here we have the close-up view. So you can see that suede and the dark mocha. Even tumble leather on the ankle collar. So I just got lucky, I guess, with this pair. But this quality is pretty nice. You can see the tumble on that mid panel. So yeah, the mid panel, ankle collar, the midsole, and the toe cap is like a cell. That's where the cell comes in. I know a lot of people saying like a eggshell, and then the tongue itself is a pure white. I don't know if you can see the difference right there for showing that. But yeah, overall, man, I'm definitely a fan of the shoe. The colorway and the quality, for my pair at least, I mean, I think it's worth it. Not worth that 400 resale though, but retail for sure. So if you can, hold out until the restock happens and then go from there. But just look at that. Let me take this shoe here. That's soft leather right there. Then they come with the black laces, of course, and then I'm not sure if these are like white or cell, but I did order a pair of cell laces. So they should be in tomorrow. Then I could do it on foot and do like a side-by-side comparison with this pair and then the cell pair that I bought to see which one I like more. But I'm definitely not gonna do the black laces. I feel like it was a white tongue or a cell tongue on the Jordan 1. You gotta go with the white laces. That's just me personally. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. A lot of people are saying they don't like them, they're ugly. Or like I said earlier, the poor man Travis Scott, so they're not gonna waste their time on these. But it's a dope shoe regardless, dope colorway. Even without the Travis Scott, I still think these will sell out just because they're a Jordan 1. Not even on the color alone, just it's a Jordan 1. Black toe color blocking. You can't beat that. And I want to say like the suede and the way the shoe, like I said, the color blocking, it reminds me of the best hands in the game pack when they had everything with this color blocking, and then they had the red. It was the red, yellow, the clay green, and what was the blue? I forgot what the blue one, but like it was like regional exclusive releases. But I'm about to start rambling again. So yeah, the dark Mocha Jordan 1, man. One of the most highly anticipated sneaker releases. I'm glad that they actually changed the colorway because, like I said, those mock-ups, man, I was disappointed. And there's supposed to be a sale, a dark or like an all-over sale Mocha with like the Mocha swoosh or something. So hopefully they are still in the works. I think it was supposed to be like a pack. It had the dark Mocha with the original sketch or whatever, and then they had that cell colorway. And I wanted the cell pair more than these originally because, like I said, they look just like the Travis Scott ones. So I'm glad they switched it up, but hopefully we still get that other pair. So let me go ahead and switch the camera angle one more time and end this video off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I was really excited when I hit on sneakers because a lot of people got the early access, or people just buying them early, and I was like, man, I really wanted this shoe and the Off-White 5s. Struck out on the 5s. I was like, at least let me get the Mochas. And sneakers, they came through in the clutch. Literally at the last minute, I think it was like 10:18 when somewhere between 10:15 and 10:18 when sneakers actually sent me a notification like, yeah, you got them. So I was like, thank you. But as I'm filming this video, we are currently at 294 subscribers. 6 subscribers away from the 300 subscriber giveaway. So if you haven't done so already, if you're new here or you've been here a while and you just haven't clicked the button, just go ahead and click the subscribe button. It's free. You know what I'm saying? Click the notification bell so you won't miss my on foot video. Because I know a lot of people are holding these for resale, but straight to toe over here, man. We like straight to toe. We wear our kicks, man. So like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video if you enjoyed it. And I will catch you guys on the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your guys and now you're excited.